Hey everyone! Today we're diving into everything we know so far about the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. This phone is shaping up to be one of the best Android phones of 2025, with some exciting upgrades and new features. Let's get into the specs, the expected release, and everything we can expect from this powerhouse device. Samsung is known for releasing their Galaxy S series models around January or February, so we're expecting the S25 Ultra to follow that same timeline. But here's the catch: this year, we could see a price hike due to the new Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is rumored to be about 20% more expensive than last year's model. With the Galaxy S24 Ultra starting at $1,299.99, we could see the S25 Ultra push that price even higher. Let's talk design. Based on the latest leaks, the S25 Ultra will bring back a larger 6.9-inch display with smaller bezels and a more compact frame. Plus, it'll have slightly more rounded corners than the S24 Ultra, which should give it a sleeker, more ergonomic feel. We've also heard that while it'll use a 6.86-inch M13 display panel, similar to the S24 Ultra, it's expected to be wider, adding more real estate for media and gaming. But Samsung is keeping it slim with a smaller width overall, making it easier to handle than last year's Ultra model. S25 Ultra color leaks point to a variety of shades, including black, blue, green, and several titanium options. We may even see some exclusive colors available only through Samsung's online store, which has been a trend with previous Galaxy releases. Samsung's making some interesting changes to the camera setup. The big news? A new 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera is expected, replacing the 12-megapixel on the S24 Ultra. Aside from that, we're looking at the same 200-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel periscope camera with 5x zoom, and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x zoom. There's a chance the main sensor will be a larger 1-inch sensor, potentially improving low-light performance and detail, but this one's still uncertain. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to feature Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite, which promises some big upgrades in performance, AI capabilities, and gaming power. Early benchmarks show it might even outperform the A18 Pro in Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max. Samsung may also increase the RAM to 16 GB, helping you multitask and run even the most demanding apps with ease. As for battery life, leaks suggest a 5,000 mAh battery similar to the S24 Ultra, so no big changes there. But with the new chipset and software optimizations, we can expect more efficiency and hopefully even longer usage times. All in all, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is shaping up to be one powerful device with a stunning display, camera upgrades, and a performance boost with the Snapdragon 8 Elite. Whether you're looking for a larger screen, better battery life, or more versatile cameras, this phone looks ready to deliver. So, are you excited about the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates on the S25 Ultra and other upcoming devices. Thanks for watching.